And he has mobilized and continues to mobilize all the resources at his disposal, both officially and personal. No? Kaya tayo nandito. Yung katanungan na how ready we are, no? Truthfully, we're trying to cover everything that we can control. No? Kulang na lang sabihin ko, we are 101% ready. But tama yung 95 ni Erica. It's a moving target. From every day, something comes up na challenging, as they say. So, we address every challenge. Ang hindi namin kaya napunta dun sa itlog, yung things that are not under our control, such as the weather.
Weather, yes.
That's not under our control. No? Yung nature, hindi natin kakayanin yun. Kaya nga, nung in-address ko yung session namin with the volunteers group, ang sabi ko, meron tiga-fibang nang i-observe. Whether we believe it or not, no, we offered 23x because offering 2023 medyo baka mabangkarote tayo, no? So 23x lang since about every Wednesday, until makaraos tayo. But just to show you how it was not discussed here, how FIBA looks at us as a very competent host. No? Alam ninyo, nabalita, I'm sure, kung gaano katindi yung about 2.5 weeks ago, yung typhoon sa Okinawa. No? And sinabihan tayo ng FIBA, hari nawa, wag mangyari. Pero kung sakasakaling mangyari over an extended period of time, kasi meron niyang yung mga plan B, bawat host. Halimbawa, binagyo tayo ng isang araw, madaling mag-make up yun. Dadagdagan lang natin yung laro the following game day. Pero ang sinasabi nila, yung huling experience nila sa Okinawa, several days, no, extended period. Pag naulit yon, parang mare-rain out na practically yung tournament. Kasi group phase lang sila eh. At kung mangyari yon, sinabihan na ililipat dito ang laro ng Okinawa sa atin. Ganun silang kabilib sa atin. Kaya nga, medyo nagpatawa ako doon. Sabi ko, isama natin sa dasal na wag mangyari yon. Kasi kako, hindi ko personal, si Sunny Barrios, Lolo Sunny nyo, hindi ko kakayanin yon. Kaya nga kako, naglalakad na ako ng paluhod sa baklaran na wag mangyari yun. Ililipat pa dito yung laro ng Japan. No? Dahil ito lang yung atin, malaking malaking responsibilidad. But we're ready. President Council, the MVP group. Napakaswerte natin, binigyan tayo ng both government and public support. The taipans of the industry, sila Mr. Ang ng San Miguel Group, no? Nababalitaan nyo naman siguro kung paano sila sumusuporta. Toyota, mga big brands, Yamaha, Toyota, Uniland, lahat yan, Jollibee, sumama para mapabuti yung hosting natin. Kasi naniniwala lahat sila yung often natin para sa bayan. Hindi naman, medyo gas-gas na yun, pero totoo yun. Hindi naman to para sa SBP, KMB, para sa bayan talaga.
Ayun po, given na sinasabi kanina po ni Sir Al na in-invite lahat pati athletes from Filipino athletes from other NSAs, sabi na rin ni Chairman Cook is trying to so how big is it na kahit sila po may pinaprepare pa po yung Asian Games, how big is it na they're taking some time away from their trainings to support Gilas Pilipinas in the country's biggest sport news?
Yeah, well, that tailor fits to what I earlier said, no? Na ito para sa bayan. So, in one meeting where PSC Chairman D.P. Bachman was present, it was discussed na ba't hindi natin imbitahin yung mga athletes natin sa ibang sports, no? Minsan nasasabi, puro basketball. So, we reached out to all other sports to join us in supporting two things, the Gilas team and the hosting, nang wag tayong magkaroon ng problemang malaki sa staging of the event. So, yun.
So is there growing concern na baka hindi mapuli mga arena, like kasi may mga nagsisibak out ng mga NBA players, like recently si Giannis, then yung Team USA walang masyadong big names, walang Trae Young, walang Ja Morant.
Yeah, those are the challenges, like I said, no? Malakas ang expectation ng mga tao, lalo na ang Filipino fans who are very knowledgeable, no? So yan, yung sinasabi mo, sayang hindi dadating dito. So even yung sa USA team, sinasabi nila ba't wala dun yung mga big names, no? Pero ang sabi nga ng NBA mismo, it's a very competitive team. And last I heard, Steve Kerr and Eric Spoelstra are really sharpening the blending of this USA team. Kasi nga, parang medyo minemeno sila. No? So, lalong na-motivate yung dalawang coaches na hindi, pakita natin, mabigat itong dala natin na to.
We're good. Make it.
Okay.